Hi lovelies, I'm glad you clicked on this video to watch with me. These braid hairstyles for black hair will leave you speechless. Welcome back to Mary and Dike Multiplicity channel. So, I don't want to talk too much. Just sit comfortable and watch with Marian. Okay? Keep watching. Hairstyles are really given. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. See that one? Amazing. So sweetie, you have seen different types of cornrows braided hairstyles you can rock at any given time in this year, even next year. They are so cute, beautiful. You have seen the length, even the one you can do with your own hair without putting any extension, and you are still good to go. Keep watching. Thinking of making a new hairstyle or to have a new look? I guess you're in the right place. These hairstyles will definitely give you that vibes you want. Am I wrong or right? Let me know in the comment section. Keep watching. Gosh. Okay, you have seen all of them, and if these ones are not enough for you, let me know on the comment section. I'm happy you have watched all of them with me, and I'm glad that you're going to pick the one that's going to fit you. Thank you so much for watching with me. Okay, if you're new to my channel, you have seen what the channel is all about, go ahead and click and watch also comedy video, cake video, and what again, any other reaction video you would like to watch. Thank you for watching this beautiful trending braid hairstyles with me. Catch you in my next upcoming video. Bye.